You know, when it comes to getting Easter dinner or really any big holiday meal ready, one of the biggest challenges is getting everything done at the same time so everything's hot when we serve it. That often means we got to do some juggling. But this year, why not turn to your slow cooker for help? As you're planning your menu, think about what you can serve that can be prepared in a slow cooker. We have a bunch of recipes on MrFood.com that can help you out. Rather than worrying about how you're going to keep your stovetop mashed potatoes or vegetable casserole warm once it's done, why not simply transfer them into a slow cooker and keep them warm until it's time to serve? And since many of us have a few slow cookers in different sizes, get them out and put them to the task. One dish that I'll be making this Sunday in a slow cooker are these orange kiss glazed carrots. After putting everything in a slow cooker, you just turn it on, and come dinner time, they're done. If you want the recipe for our slow cooked glazed carrots, simply check out our website. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen with Kelly, who loves her veggies. And today we found a slow cooker solution way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.